Good morning. I hope you all had a good spring break. We're going to do a Wilson lesson. So before the break, we did these sounds over here. So we had A-N-G, fang, ang, U-N-G, lung, ung, O-N-G, song, ong, and I-N-G, sing, ing. This week, we're going to be doing these over here. So listen to these sounds. A-N-K, bank, ank. U-N-K, junk, unk. O-N-K, honk, onk. I-N-K, pink, ink. All right, so we're going to do some words, do a couple of review words. All right, tap this word out. Sh-ed, shed. Ung, hung. Ong, song. All right, so now let's do some words with our new sounds over here. So I want to do it, and then I want you to repeat it after me and make sure you're tapping out the the words. Unk, hunk. All right, now you do it. Right? And remember, when we mark our words, it's a welded sound, so we're going to put a box around it. Ong, song. Onk, honk. Put a box around the welded sound. Ung, long. And last one. Bank, bank. All right, that's our lesson for today. I will have your words posted under assignments, and I will be calling you today to have you read those words. Thank you very much. Bye.